In this video we can see that API not working in localhost when we can use the controller. Currently this API working because of we use the REST controller, but I need a small modifications at the controller. So what happened, I restart the application. Application successfully started, but I check in a Postman is working or not. Now see, not found exception throw 404, but API is correct, but here 404 not found exception throw here when a direct controller I used. The reason behind it, it is when we use controller, a direct controller, it is marked as HTTP request, but here configure explicitly. So when we use REST controller, it is Springboot application start, then it is start with default properties, and the default properties configure like a combination of auto configurations and direct configurations. So that's it. So when I change REST controller annotation, now check out and restart the application and see it's working or not. So currently I again change in the so now it's working. So for that, when we use the controller, then we manually explicitly configure. So that's it.